Hi, welcome. So this is my first PC. I'm first going to be showing you the PC parts. Then I'm going to show you me building the PC. And then last, I'm going to be playing some games. So for the motherboard, I got this Asus Prime B660 Plus D4 motherboard. Then for the CPU, I got the Intel Core i5-12400. So next, the case, I got the NZXT H510 Elite. I wanted to get this case, but they were like sold out completely, so I just got this case instead. Then I got the CPU cooler NZXT Kraken 120. Now, if you're building your first PC, don't fucking get this thing. Just go with a stock cooler. This thing was fucking AIDS. Fucking biggest mistake I've ever made. For the RAM, I got the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 16 gigs. Next, I got this power supply, Seasonic G12 GM. In the build, you're actually going to be seeing me build with an EVGA power supply. Yeah, that shit started smoking, so I had to get that replaced, and it kind of broke my GPU as well, so also had to get that replaced. Next is the Western Digital 1TB WD. Wait, what? Western Digital 1TB SSD. Yeah. Next, the GPU. I got the XFX Speedster Swift 1020 210. Okay, for the GPU, I got the XFX Swift RX6600. And yeah, that's all the parts. So let's get into the build.
Don't mind, take your time, live your life, you're free. I don't mind, live your life, take your time, you're free.
Now remember, I am recording this on a single PC, so the performance is a little bit worse because I'm recording with OBS, so just keep that in mind. Alright, so first game we're testing is Apex Legends. Here are the settings, and let's go. So fuck. I'm carrying so hard. They're just taking all my fucking loot. Whoa! I'm carrying so hard. I'm carrying the entire team on my fucking back.
I am taking fire, friends. Wrecked an enemy shield. Throwing arc star. Arc star sense.
Alright, well, I guess next game. For our next game, we're going to be playing GTA 5. Here are the settings. Yup. Settings, advanced settings. First, we'll go on a little drive. Just a little drive around town. See how the FPS does that. How the PC handles that. I mean, yeah, this is performing pretty good. Staying at a constant 60 FPS. I do have some mods installed, a couple. As you can see, there are a lot of trees right there. I mean, it's performing pretty good. But let's have some fun. Amazing. My game crashed. Alright, next game then. Alright, next game we're playing is Forza Horizon 5. Here are the graphics settings. Yep, ultra preset. Here are the video settings, 1440p. Let's go! Right now, performing 60 FPS, pretty fucking good. Staying at a constant 60 FPS, really fucking good. Ultra preset, it's performing pretty good. I mean, we're zooming right now. Okay, you jump to like 57 FPS. Oh my god, I'm off-road. Oh my god.
400 meters. Turn sharp left.
Oh, I heard max speed. Can this woman shut up? But yeah, I mean, I guess that's it. Next game.
Hold it together. What is that melody?
Next game, Overwatch 2. Here are the graphics settings. Video, 1440p. Field of view, 103. Let's go! Now don't expect some insane gameplay. I'm probably gonna be fucking horrible at this game. I mean, right now I don't know the graphics. There's something. But it's performing pretty good at 1440p. Yo, man. Great. Alright, let's start with my settings. Graphics quality, I'll load this like medium. Fuck! Taking the short. I'll restart the game and change the settings for more like esports settings for more FPS. Alright, new settings. Same 1440p, but lowered graphics quality to medium. Okay, in the spawn area, we're getting above 150 FPS. Ah, dumbass. Yeah, hide ya fucking pussy. Fuck you, you fucking skank. That's not gonna kill anyone. Fuck's sake. This guy's such a pussy, man. Just die! Holy shit! I'm gonna try Cassidy. Bro, I headshot him twice. That shit was sexy. Ooh! Damn, bro, that was so nice. We're losing, but that was nice. Oh, it's kind of boring right now. I think I'm not lagging. What's happening? Lol. How did he not die? Look how much damage I did. Look. You see this guy? You see this guy? Look at this guy. He solo ults me.
What the?
Solo ult. You know what? Just because of him solo ulting me. We're moving on to the next game. Alright, so right now I would play Battlefield 2042, but the game just doesn't launch. I can't launch it. I don't know why. So instead, we're gonna be playing... Yep, you're hearing that music correctly. Next game we're playing is Minecraft, because Battlefield 2042 just doesn't want to launch. Alright, so right now, getting like well over 100 FPS. 190. I do have Optifine installed, so without Optifine you would get less. I mean, yeah. Oh, bees. I mean, yeah, it's performing pretty good, you know. Constant over 100 FPS. Yeah. But let's turn on some shaders, shall we? Complementary shaders. What the fuck is this? Alright, well, now I launched it with sodium because I don't know what the fuck Optifine, what's wrong with Optifine. Alright, so this is sodium without shaders. Oh god, what is that stuttering? Performing kinda better, low-key. I got my FPS and it's getting well over 400 FPS. 300. I mean, yeah, performing pretty good. Let's see with some shaders now. So with shaders, so running at 80 FPS. Damn. And this is what settings are these? High, default. And this is, I don't know where the setting is, but this is at 1440p, I'm pretty sure. I mean, yeah, it's performing good. I will cap it at 60 FPS because this stuttering is starting to piss me off. Okay, so I capped it at 60 FPS. Feels way smoother because it's not just bouncing between fucking FPS. Food. But first, new shaders. BSL shaders. Let's go. God damn, look at that water. What the fuck? Jesus. Look at this water. Holy shit. Come here. Where you running, man? Give me your wall. And there's a lot of sheep here. What the fuck? Now it's stuttering a bit. But I can just lower the settings of the shader. Because right now it's on custom for some reason. I'll put on high. See if that changes anything. And yeah, what the fuck? How high were my settings? What the fuck? On cap, this is running at 120. I'm pretty sure it's better than the complementary shaders. Let's change them again. This one. Ooh. These look fucking ugly. What the fuck is this? These look fucking disgusting. Why do these look so bad? That's on medium. These run terrible. And they look terrible. What the fuck is this? This looks fucking horseshit. Let's see the water. Maybe the water's better. The water is kind of nice. But still shit. I'm changing it. Kappa. That took a long time. What the fuck? Maybe this... I don't think the shaders are supported on sodium. Well, getting back to complementary shaders then. Kill some cows. Holy shit, how many cows are there? Look, there's so many cows. Free food for me. That's a pink sheep. What is this world? I'm making a furnace. Because I need food. And I'm going to kill that pink sheep. Hello, pink sheep. Goodbye, pink sheep. Let me up the... Let me up it to Ultra. See how that performs. What the fuck? It looks like it's 3D. And it's performing pretty good. Above 60 FPS. Should I? Fuck it, why not? This looks honestly the exact same. And it performs the exact... What the fuck is the difference? God damn. I did not expect it to perform this good. This is fucking beautiful. Let me turn on a resource pack as well. A texture pack. Oh my god, bro. Look at this grass. How does it look with fucking 64? Holy shit. Look at that. Alright, let's turn off the texture pack. I cannot speak English. Yeah, I'll build my house right here. I need logs to make charcoal so I can make torches. Get some more wood. Ooh, an apple. Don't mind if I do. Damn, look at that moon. Jeez. That looks nice. Smelt some glass. Get some more wood. Okay, it's performing kind of bad. I'll lower the setting to high. Oh, high. Default. Jesus Christ. There you go. Up the FPS quite a bit. Oh, it makes the texture like 3D-ish. That's probably why it's performing so bad. Not bad, but like it's staying like at 60 FPS. Okay, maybe this doesn't need to be that high. One more piece. There you go. And just make a door. Boom, boom. Put these here. Make some slabs. There you go. And now we get this glass. Boom, boom, boom. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, I guess. I don't know what to say. Like and subscribe. Comment. I don't know what to say. I will be streaming. My streamer name should be somewhere. My Twitch channel. Somewhere on the screen. I don't know where. Go there. Follow. I will be streaming at some point. I don't know when. I will be uploading a video maybe tomorrow. Maybe. And yeah. I guess bye.